हेलो फ्रेंड्स, यू आर वेलकम टू ऑल लिटरेरी चैनल एकेडमिक डोमेन। तो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में यूनिस डिसूजा की वेल नोन पोएम एडवाइस टू वीमेन की समरी एंड एनालिसिस को डिस्कस किया जाएगा। और दोस्तों, अगर आप इस प्रेजेंटेशन की सॉफ्ट कॉपी चाहते हैं तो नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पर क्लिक कीजिए या फिर आप academicdomain.com पर जाकर वहाँ से भी इसको पढ़ सकते हैं, हासिल कर सकते हैं। और दोस्तों, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कीजिए ताकि मेरे नई वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहे। लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और कमेंट करके अपना फीडबैक ज़रूर दीजिए कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी। तो पोएम पर जाने से पहले कुछ पॉइंट्स पोइट के बारे में देख लेते हैं यहाँ पर। बॉर्न इन पुणे, अ सिटी इन महाराष्ट्र, इन 1940 इन अ गोवा Catholic family, Eunice D'Souza was an Indian English writer. She was a poet, critic, and novelist, and edited many poetry anthologies and wrote books for children. She completed her PhD from University of Mumbai and headed the Department of English at St. Xavier's College, Mumbai, and retired from the same. Her well-received poetic works are Women in Dutch Painting, Ways of Belonging, Nine Indian Women Poets, These My Words, and Learn from the Almond Leaf, and her two novels, Danger Log and Dev and Simran. She died on July 29, 2017 in Mumbai. So this is the text of the poem. It's a very short poem. Uh, Keep cats if you want to learn to cope with the otherness of lovers. Otherness is not always neglect. Cats return to their little trays when they need to. Don't cuss out of the window at their enemies. That stare of perpetual surprise in those great green eyes will teach you to die alone. So now we will see the summary and analysis of the poem. The poem Advice to Women mainly deals with the women's situation in our patriarchal society and also advises the women what they should do to avoid such situation. Through this poem, Eunice D'Souza, the poet, wants to make the women aware about the pain they receive from others. She compares a cat's indifference and proud behavior towards life, and by comparing with the cat, the poet wants to say that women's behavior and attitude towards her lover should be like a cat. The women's the women's reaction must be jilted by a lover. The poet uses very simple image drawn from day-to-day life, and she also wants to highlight the necessity to adapt with the life in a different way, and also women should follow the attitude of a cat. She tells women to keep cats as a pet because we are all well aware about the behavior of the cats. Cats are always well known for their proud and haughty behavior. The women should have patience like cats in order to cope up with the otherness of lover, and in order to survive in this patriarchal society, the women should have patience. She says otherness is not always neglect, and it could also indicate the indifferent behavior and attitude of the lover to their beloved. She advises women to tolerate the otherness of her lover, and also the beloved should wait for their lover to return to them. The imagery depicts the act of cleanliness that is nurtured by a cat and insists humans to adhere to it. The women are the beauty of the world, and that beauty is cast under the delusion of persecution of life. Women always play the role of a daughter, wife, and mother in their whole life, and they find pleasure in this role. Women always play a major role in a man's life. Without a woman, the life of a man is just impossible. For this reason, the man will return to their beloved when they are in need of her. These lines bring out the imagery of indifferent and careless attitude that the cat shows towards the life. The poet here again and again advises that it is this indifference attitude the women should imbibe. Women should know how to hide pain and suffering and still carry long standing surprise in their eyes. It points out the essential loneliness of human existence and the need to accept it as a fact. Because we are all familiar with the fact that we are born all alone and we are going to die alone on this earth, and between these two poles of birth and death, we have to fight alone to survive. So the poet insists that all women should possess all the qualities so that she doesn't carry the fear of existing alone and also dying alone. And when the women will be able to gather this indifference attitude, they will be happy from inside and they will be self dependent also.